composition of cells. First component is water. Percentage of the total cellular mass, water makes 70 to 90%. Now proteins as a component of second. Percentage of the total cellular mass is 10 to 15%. Carbohydrates makes 3%, lipids makes 2%, nucleic acid makes 5 to 7%, and ions makes 1%. Although the water is the most abundant chemical in the living organism. Now some proteins and their functions. Now protein is collagen is a protein. Now function of collagen protein is intercellular ground substance. It acts as an intercellular ground substance. Now protein trypsin, it has the function, it acts as an enzyme. Now protein insulin, it acts as a hormone. And protein antibody, antibodies which are formed in our body, these are kind of proteins, and their functions is to fight infectious agents. They fighting with an infectious agents to protect our body, to protect our immune system. Now the receptor is a protein, and its function is sensory reception for kind of taste, smell, hormone, etc. Now glucose, it is type of protein. It functions as enables glucose transport into the cell. So glucose as a protein, it functions is enable glucose transport into the cells. Adenine and adenine, okay, natural species named adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, and thymine. Now adenine and guanine are substituted purines, while the rest are substituted pyrimidines that are cytosine, thymidine, and uracil. While adenine and guanine, these are the substituted purines. Purines and pyrimidines, these are the groups of nitrogenous bases, which is a component of nucleic acid. Almost all enzymes are proteins except ribosomes. These are some nucleic acids that behave like enzymes called ribosomes. Otherwise, almost all enzymes are proteins. Example, collagen. Enzymes get damaged at high temperatures, say above 40 degrees Celsius, where enzymes isolated from organisms who normally live under extremely high temperatures. Example, hot winds and sulfur springs are stable and retain their catalytic power even at higher temperatures up to 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Now thermostability, quality of enzymes are selected from thermophilic organisms.